If you've been looking for ways to earn passive income online, this video is perfect for you. Now, while there are numerous ways to make money online, affiliate marketing stands out as one of the most easiest and reliable methods. If you're new to this and unsure where to start, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of Amazon affiliate marketing in an efficient and automated way. You'll discover how to promote multiple products using a single link and learn how to use AI to create automated product review videos, saving you time and effort. This tutorial is split into two parts for better understanding. Make sure to watch until the end to catch all the valuable information. Now, one of the most popular ways for beginners to make money online is through Amazon's affiliate marketing program. However, getting approved can be challenging. This video provides tips to help you get accepted into the Amazon Associates program. You will find the link below this video. Before we get into the main content, you need to register for an Amazon affiliate account, as we'll focus on Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Visit Amazon Associates to sign up and get ready to dive in. The Amazon Associate program is looking for serious affiliates with an established online presence, such as a website, YouTube channel, or Facebook group. Here are some tips to increase your chances of getting approved. Website requirements. You want to ensure if you are using a website, the site need to have at least 4 to 10 well-written posts relevant to your niche. Clearly state that you are an affiliate marketer and include a disclosure page. YouTube channel requirements. Now, if you will be using your YouTube videos for promoting Amazon products, you want to aim for at least 500 subscribers with multiple videos on your channel. You also want to include an Amazon affiliate disclaimer on your About page. If you are initially rejected, make the necessary changes to your platform and reapply. Many affiliates get accepted after multiple attempts. After you have been approved into the Amazon Associate program, next is bundling up all the products you want to promote into one link, which not only saves you time, but also boosts your sales potential. You know, YouTube has a gray area when it comes to linking outside the platform. I remember getting a YouTube strike on this channel for linking directly to Amazon. The proper way is to link to a landing page like your own online shop or blog, and link form the product directly to Amazon. And that's where bundling up all the products you want to promote into one link comes into play. For that, you will need to access kit.co website. Paste any Amazon product link. It will automatically create an online store for you. You can promote as many products as you like for free. Many celebrities have used it, proving its credibility and effectiveness. Sign up for Kitco by entering your email and password. It's quick and easy. Next, set up your profile by entering personal information like your name, bio, and social media links to add credibility. Upload a profile picture if you like. In the Monetize tab, select Amazon and enter your Amazon tracking ID, which you'll receive after registering with Amazon Associates. This ID is crucial for tracking your commissions. Now, let's create your first store. Click the plus icon and choose Create a New Kit. Enter your store's name and a short description. To add products, select Add a Product, switch to Amazon, choose any product, copy its link, return to Kitco, paste the link, and fill in the product details. Add multiple products to increase your sales chances. Next, we'll create product promotion videos. Imagine a tool that lets you take an Amazon product link and with a few clicks, generate a cool product review video. No filming, no editing, just pure AI magic. This is exactly what AI-powered video creation tools can do. They use fancy algorithms to analyze product information, images, and even reviews, and then whip up an attention-grabbing video showcasing the product's features and benefits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's dive into how you can use this tech to your advantage. There are tons of options out there, each with its own perks and pricing. So do your homework. Look for tools that offer easy-to-use interfaces, variety of video templates to match your vibe, customizable scripts and voiceover options. Finally, look for a tool with a reasonable pricing plan. Remember, you want to find a tool that helps you churn out top-notch engaging videos without emptying your wallet. And that's where Video Magic comes in. Introducing Video Magic AI, your go-to for generating videos that streamline the buyer's journey from discovery to purchase. It works wonders for e-commerce, real estate, and even music. Ready to turn your Amazon product link into a killer video? Hit that sign up button and create your account. Once you're in, you'll find all the tools you need on the left side. From creating single videos to stacking them up and using templates to bring your videos to life. Let's get cracking. Alright, let's dive into selecting a template. Head over to the Templates tab where you'll find a treasure trove of options for e-commerce, real estate, commercial realty, and music videos. Each category comes packed with subcategories, so you'll have plenty to choose from. Since we're working with an Amazon product link, let's navigate to the e-commerce section. Here, you'll find subcategories like highlights, snapshot, bestsellers, sale, single review, multi-review, new arrival, tutorials, and more. Each subcategory boasts a bunch of pre-made, easily customizable templates. Hover your cursor over any template to check out a sneak peek. Once you find the perfect fit, click on it to open it up. You'll be redirected to a page where you can see the aspect ratio and preview the video below. Beside the video preview, you'll find the template name, requirements, like the number of images needed, which in this case is 6 images and 1 video. Then you have the supported platforms Amazon and Shopify, and the credit cost, in this case, 95 credits. Again, this template need at least 6 images and 1 video clip to work their magic. So make sure your product has enough visuals to meet these requirements. In this case, the bag backpack has 6 images and even more videos, more than enough for my selected template. Now hit the select button and you'll be presented with 2 options: fetching content from the URL or entering content manually. Since we're dealing with an Amazon product link, let's go with fetching content from the URL. On the next page, you'll need to input some data. Start by selecting the platform, in this case Amazon. Let's keep this train rolling. So I'm selecting Amazon as my platform. Now it's time to give our video a catchy title. For example, I'm making a video about the Babelroo diaper bag backpack. Copy the product URL and paste it into VideoMagick. Next, it's keyword time. Since I'm all about diaper bag backpack, I'm typing in stuff like Babelroo diaper bag backpack, best diaper bag backpack, best Babelroo diaper bag backpack under $50, and so on. Now, pick one or more aspect ratios that suit your needs. Each ratio shows which platforms the video will work best on. I'm going with 16:9 for that sleek look. Once you've filled in all the deets, head to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find 2 options: I'm feeling lucky and change video assets. I'm going with the lucky vibe, so hit that button. VideoMagick will start whipping up your video. You can track its progress. It usually takes around a minute to work its magic. Once it's done, you'll see the status ready, and voila, your video's good to go. Take a peek at the final product.
Perfect for on-the-go parents, our spacious diaper backpack comes with a foldable changing mat, stroller straps, and a detachable pacifier holder. With 2 main compartments, 5 insulated pockets, and a dedicated changing pad, you'll have plenty of storage for all your baby essentials. It's made with tear-resistant and water-resistant fabric for durability and comfort. Plus, enjoy 20-year Cofran customer service and a 180-day warranty.
Slick visuals, essential text, and a killer voiceover. Trust me, this video is ready to rock on YouTube. What's your take? Drop a comment below. Now, once the video's done, if it needs some tweaking, hit Edit Video from here. You can jazz up the video title, add some killer search tags, and customize the visuals. To swap out an image or video, just click Change. You'll see all the images from your product page, and you can even upload your own. Once you've picked your new image, hit Save. Next up, let's talk video clips. You can swap out the clip used in your video with another one from the Amazon page. Play them, find the perfect fit, and select it. Now, onto the voices. VideoMagick's got 4 voice actors: Hudson, Evelyn, Jennifer, and Speaking. Give them all a listen and pick your favorite. Now, onto the script. Tweak it if needed to add that personal touch. Then, it's onto the aspect ratio. Pick 1 or more to suit your vibe. Hit Next, and VideoMagick will whip up another version of your video. It'll take a second, so let's fast forward. And boom, there's your revamped video. Check out the fresh footage.
Perfect for on-the-go parents. Our spacious diaper backpack comes with a foldable changing mat, stroller straps, and a detachable pacifier holder with 2 main compartments, 5 insulated pockets, and a dedicated changing pad. You'll have plenty of storage for all your baby essentials. It's made with tear-resistant and water-resistant fabric for durability and comfort. Plus, enjoy 24/7 customer service.
It's more engaging and powerful now, right? To download it, just click Download. Now, let's talk Moola. Only 2 AI tools I know of that turns links to videos are Flicky and VideoMagick. Just like Flicky, VideoMagick's subscription starts at $49 a month for 1,000 credits, or $99 for 2,500. But wait, there's more. You can snag a lifetime subscription through AppSumo for just $69. Yeah, you heard me right. A lifetime deal for just $69. It's usually $420, so that's a steal. Check out the link in the description to grab this sweet deal. After creating the video, upload it to your YouTube channel dedicated to product promotion. Add the product link from Kitco in the video description. If viewers purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission from Amazon. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.